you're a woman going into a technical field or a trade, don't be hesitant. If you aren't scared to get your hands dirty or aren't scared to put a wrench to something metal or mechanical or whatever, you aren't scared to fix it, fix it.
What sparked my interest in HVAC was my father did it my whole life. He did it his whole life, as far as I know. He helped his dad. All my life, I just watched him work in it. I helped him on a few jobs and helped him break it down, and I wanted to learn how to build them back. My proudest achievement right now is getting my EPA, but it allows me to buy refrigerant while others are not allowed. I know the regulations for what I can or cannot do with said refrigerant or Freon. The most fulfilling thing is learning how to fix the system, raising it, wiring it, and not being scared of if it's gonna burn you or if you're gonna mess it up. It's not just going over to a thermostat and tapping buttons. I love working with my hands. It's a whole lot more fun than just sitting in basic classes for me.